Hey everyone, I'm Randy DeHaan. I lead the chorus revenue teams at ZoomInfo. And in today's In Your Corner, I'm going to show you the one thing to add to your onboarding curriculum that will reduce ramp time and time to productivity for your new sales hires by 50% or more. What we propose is that you bring in the voice of your customers and the voice of the best players you have in your field to day one of your onboarding curriculum. But what if I told you you could deliver on day one to your newest hires how your best sellers execute on those disciplines now? And let me show you how we do that at Chorus. And this is how our best customers do that as well. What we've done is we've created different playlists for all of the different disciplines that we intend to train on in our onboarding program. In this case, for illustrative purposes, pricing, how to handle competitors, how to drive urgency and set next steps, common objections, how to give a world-class demo. And now I can show our newest hires how our best people handle these moments on live calls, on calls that led to deals. So let's just say we're doing a session on next steps in creating urgency. If I'm a new hire, I can go directly to this playlist and here's a list of moments, not even the full call, just the moments where a next step was handled. And I can hear, let's click on the first one.
One final question, because, hey, I want to keep my next step stats up here. Would it make sense to get a meeting on the books maybe towards the end of the next week once you've had a chance to review that Salesforce documentation with your internal team?
Yes.
So ultimately, you're investing a lot in new talent who can help influence the result this year. Don't waste time in their ability to impact the number by doing things the way you've always done. In your onboarding program, include what your best people are doing for all of the disciplines and skills that you want your newest hires to learn, just by creating playlists, just by getting them the moments that matter, so that you can reduce the connection between time and seat and productivity.